Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Here's a sneak peek of this really pretty brown with honey blonde highlights. Stay tuned. Hey, it's time to slay. Happy New Year! Woo! Yeah, I know I'm kind of late. This video is probably going to be uploaded a couple of days to a week after the new year, but I still want to wish each and every one of you ladies a very happy new year. I'm claiming this year as a year of prosperity, blessings, and manifestations for each and every one of you. Hopefully you are on, a new journey, maybe got, some positive, New Year's resolutions going and stuff. But, I'm claiming this year as a year of big manifestations, not just for myself and everyone that I know and love, but for each and every one of y'all who, is watching my video. I thank y'all so much for supporting my channel in my absence. Thank y'all so much for the newcomers and subscribers to my channel. And also, thank y'all so much for getting your girl to a couple of videos that I have to a little over 1K in views. That's pretty big for my fledgling channel, okay? So, as you can see, your girl decided to do something a little that is kind of like out of my character. Because usually I style these wigs off camera and then I just come on looking glamorous and talk about it, what I liked about it, and all the goodness. But as you see, your girl had a nude cap on. No, I don't do the ball cap method, but I do wear a nude cap underneath, and I kind of slide the wig up a little bit past my natural hairline just so I don't pull at any of my baby hairs. We're trying to preserve the baby hairs in the 2024. We're trying to keep thine edges for the foreseeable future, right? And on and on and on, right? Yeah. So anywho, I think I showed y'all the products that I was using already. If you didn't see it, I just got, some standard issue black gel, some standard issue got to be spray, gotta have that. And in my little stainless steel canister of spray, I think it's a spray canister, I have my water and conditioner. It's just some simple VO5 conditioner with some distilled water. No faucet water because it tends to have chlorine in it, so you don't want to dry your hair out. You just want to, give it, hydration, right? And as you've seen just a little while ago, I flashed my foundation in a 330, and I'm also spraying, once I put the foundation in the gaps and on the part, I sprayed it a little bit with this Got To Be. I also spread my lift with it too, and so you see me brush it up. And I'm gonna take this huge clip and clip it up just so I can have that nice, arch, that lift, for this good old side part. To me, it's like I don't like when I'm wearing a side part wig and it's flat. It just seems like it just needs that kind of like lift, to give it that dramatic, So anywho, but yeah, I just decided to let y'all, see how I style it, because surprisingly, I wore this wig for 2 weeks straight, maybe a little bit over, give or take a day or two. And I enjoyed it so much that I decided to wash it and then wear it again. So when you see me dangling in front of you ladies, that is why I'm showing you the length. I'm showing you just how this, beautiful wig, despite wearing it like 2 weeks straight without taking it off, all I did was pin it up. Y'all know how I get. The curl pattern, yeah, it was a lot looser than initially was when it came out the box. But girl, it just got right back in place. It was giving me really pretty, big, luscious barrel curls once I beat the mess up out of her and tamed her and got her back into submission. Yes. So yeah, I love this wig. So I can't wait to get into all the things that I loved about her, the pros, the cons, and all the goodness. And the wrap that you see around my hair, that comes from a mutilated do-rag of one of my husbands. He let me have it, and I cut the string off of there. And I find that it, it gave me what I needed. I know a lot of ladies use bands, but the material from the do-rag works perfectly as well. So this little lace tint mousse that you see, I ordered it from Temu, but I had to water it down because it gave a real copper blowback. But yeah, it still did its thing. Okay, all right. Hey JuiceDrops, JuicyNashae here, and I'm finally back to show you lovely ladies another beautiful wig. I know it's been so long since I made a video. Yes, I am alive and well for all those who was wondering where your girl went. I ain't gonna go into a long diatribe and give you my woes and my whatevers, but just know I have been living my life, and yeah. So that's not what this video is about. It is about this beautiful wig I have on right here. Isn't she lovely? Oh my god. I mean, it's sort of cute too, but I absolutely love this wig. And so what is her name? Let's get off into the deets. Let me get her stock card here. Her name is Sofina. She is made by Nutique. She is a part of their illuze collection of wigs. Let me see what this little slogan is. Your very own illusion. Why not? But I have her in the color sparkling brown, as you can see. She is a side part wig. Let me just keep it in your face and give you ladies story time, right? Right. But yeah, so she's a side part wig. She's the right side part to be exact. She comes with HD lace, of course, virtually undetectable HD lace. I said that it has triangle lace, girl. Anti-triangle lace, girl, yeah. It's a pre-plucked hairline with natural baby hairs and all that goodness. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, when I first styled this wig, I really didn't see a whole bunch of baby hair. I had to pull that out, but we'll get to that. Yeah, and she comes in all these lovely colors on the back or whatever. This is my first Nutique wig, my first illuze Nutique wig, and believe it or not, I have had this wig on for 2 weeks. And I kind of did something a little new with this video, and that is allowing you guys to see me put this wig on from start to finish and restyle it after already having styled it, and I definitely had to revive it too. So I'm not gonna spend too much long on the intro. Let's get off into the further details for Sofina right here. Let's get off into a 360. Let's get into a few pros for her. Y'all, I absolutely enjoyed myself with this wig, okay? I loved it so much. I had this wig on for 2 weeks straight. I wore it like it was my hair. All I did was, pin it up in my little picky tails that I'll be doing and whatnot, and I'll take it down, I brush it, and I use my grease and my water and conditioner spray. This is just some cheap VO5 conditioner in there with some distilled water, and I would just spray a little bit, rub it down a little bit with a little oil. You could probably do it with I don't know, a light oil sheen or something, just to give it back that luster. And I gently combed it out. This hair texture is like a really soft gacky, so it kind of gives you like that kind of natural blown out like feel to it. And this color, sparkling brown, is just so pretty. I didn't know what to expect because I feel like they don't really give you like a good idea how pretty this color is from the swatch. But girl, this sparkling brown color is just so pretty. Your girl likes her blondes, her browns, her mixes of browns and blondes, and this right here is just giving me everything. Okay, I feel like I had more than enough laces edge to style this wig to also pluck a little bit of hair to kind of give it more of a natural look as well. I think that's it for the pros, lady. Like I said, the hair texture is amazing, the color is awesome, the amount of hair you get with this. Okay, let's get off into the close-up, your favorite part of all of my videos, where I show you how I styled it and slayed. Okay, all right, ladies, I am in your face for this here close-up. Get into this color though. That's what y'all need to get into. Okay, get into that color. The color is so pretty. Like I said, I have it in a sparkling brown. Although I have more than enough Laces Edge to get my JuicyNashae on, as you can see. Okay, I did kind of run into a little bit of a difference when it came to this side where the hair lays. Like I kind of noticed that with side part wigs, that the part that, you know, you could style all the way to the sideburn, you know, where the hair is going to be showing and the part is going to be on, you get like a lot of space. It goes all the way to your edges, all the way to like your ear on this side. But then when it comes to the side that they expect you to just not style, because most of your hair is going to cascade over, they kind of short you a little bit. Now it could be my head. I do have, you know, somewhat a little forehead or whatever, but I kind of feel like this just isn't the only wig that I ran into the shortcomings of the side that has the most hair on. Okay, so you are probably going to have to like keep that in mind if you want to, you know, style it from ear to ear, which I didn't run into that problem because, girl, you would never even knew that if I didn't get all in your face. I tell y'all that all the time. But sometimes when I really like a wig and I plan on wearing it for a little while, or I can see myself wearing it for a little while, I definitely go in and style the other side, even though my natural hair is showing on that side. But this is styled just enough for me to like do this, you know, like tuck the hair a little bit and kind of bring it out like that. So it don't really make me feel self-conscious about it, but I know it's there. I know it's short on that side. But at least over here where the main attraction is, you know, I have more than enough length that meets my actual edge of my hairline to get my style on. So I'm gonna go ahead on and untuck this one more time. Swoop this like this and give y'all like a ear to ear look real quick before we end this close up. So let's start from this side, go all the way down, and that's it, ladies. Close up over. Let me get out your face. Okay, ladies, now that we're back from the close up, let's get into a few cons for Miss Sofina. Unfortunately, even though I wore the mess about this wig and I enjoyed every single moment of it, I still have a few cons that I run into while wearing this wig. Con number one, I did run into the fact that it isn't ear to ear, and I kind of experienced that with a lot of side part wigs, that on the side where the hair cascades, they're like, you don't need the tab to, you know, really touch your ear. You know why? Because it's gonna cascade, you know, it's just gonna flow, you know, and no one's gonna see that. But as for me, sometimes I do go over there and style it, and I did notice that it didn't reach my ear all the way. Even though for the most part I wore it, you know, like that, you know, let me scrunch it over, get that hump, you know, that humpage going back, you know, on. This is the only wig that I noticed that way, but most side part wigs kind of have you like that, but she definitely didn't go all the way ear to ear. I did run into some tangling, so I guess it's gonna be kind number two. I wore it for 2 weeks. Of course you're gonna get tangling. She tangles a lot around the nape of the neck and towards the ends of this wig. Now, I don't think they give you the inches anywhere on here on how long she is, but she pretty long, boo. She pretty long. She kind of goes past the line bust. So she's pretty long, but I did run into like a little bit of snags and knotting up around the nape and the ends. And I did get some shedding. Of course, the more I combed it, because I wore it for 2 weeks straight, I ran into, you know, globs of hair, but it wasn't like, you know, profuse, you know, like real bad. You know, it was enough, you know, to pull off your brush and be like, oh, okay, I got a lot. But it wasn't globs. I still have plenty of hair. This wig is a lot of hair, and I actually enjoyed that. It's wintertime, you need buku hair to cover up your head so you can be warm and whatnot, unless you want, well, like a beanie, but that's whatever. I think that's it for her cons. Let's get into what I rate her so I can let y'all go. Alright, so what do I rate this beautiful wig that I wore for 2 weeks straight? Girl, you already know. I rate Miss Sofina a 10. Woo! Yeah! Ah! Right. That's great. I rate this wig a 10, y'all. I just, you know, I loved her. Like, I loved everything about this wig. I love the texture. I love that they weren't stingy with the amount of hair that they give you, ladies. The lace edge is more than enough to get your arrogant Nashae or Tay on. I did kind of like, you know, go in and pluck a little hair right here and a little bit right there or whatever. But I enjoyed this wig. I enjoyed the color, the texture, and just how pretty, and, you know, like, if she just was giving what I needed. You know, she gave everything that she promised to give and she advertised to give from the stock card, okay? I know it's been a while since I graced you ladies with my presence, but in the time that I've been gone, I just have been raising my 3 kids. My cat, Jeannie, my 2 dogs, Golden and Peppa. So I just been living life, you know, and, you know, being blessed. And I hope you ladies have been blessed and life has been going quite swell for you all as well. Well, I don't think I'm gonna have this video up by Christmas, but I hope y'all got whatever y'all been wanting all year for Christmas, other than a lump of coal. And I also wish each and every one of you ladies watching this video a happy new year. Okay, we are claiming wealth and blessings for this year, okay, because who ain't? Okay, ladies, I'm not gonna hold y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching my tutorial and review for Miss Sophia. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And also follow your girl at JuicyNashae on Instagram as well. Bye.